Let me show you a really simple 3-step process for looping any video on YouTube. This is super useful for tutorials and music videos as well. Open up the YouTube app, and step 1 is obviously finding the video you want to loop. Let's say I want to loop this video the whole night for meditation music here. I'm going to press the 3 dots on it. And then the second thing I need to do is I need to add this to a playlist. So in order to do that, there's this option called Save to Playlist, because you can't loop a video just by itself, but you can loop a playlist. Now I want to press New Playlist. You may not have any, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and press New Playlist. And I'm going to title this just Loop Songs. And I'm going to go ahead and press Create. And I'm going to leave it on private because I don't want other people to find this playlist. Now what I need to do is, for the third step, go to your library tab here and then find that playlist that you just made. Mine's called Loop Songs. If you have a lot of them too, you could sort it alphabetically. Click on it. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and press play right here first. And on this page, you still can't loop from here, but you could go ahead and press play, or you could press shuffle. I'm going to press play here. And it should immediately pull up this page. If it doesn't, do this one more time to get this page here, not the description box. And now you have a loop option. Press this option, and now with this activated, when the song ends, it will loop over and over as long as you only have one item here on this playlist. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you next time.